ओ हारेया मैं दिल हारेया, ओ हारेया मैं दिल हारेया, ओ हारेया मैं दिल हारेया.
Hi, this is Pranay with torrents.com, and for today's lesson we learned this song called Haareya. So now let's do a quick overview of the different chords and rhythms that we'll find in this song. So we have E minor, A minor, so that sounds like this. Moving on, let's take a look at the melody for your bridge section. The first part sounds like this. And just to quickly go over how to play a harmonic, if you are not familiar, you just press either finger, whichever finger you're comfortable with, right on top of the 12th fret. Please visit torrents.com for the complete lesson for this song.